Hi, this is Luke. In this video, I'm going to go through how to get the NAPLAN 2024 lockdown browser. So if you can, please go to QLearn, log in as your student account, and then navigate to the MySoda Home Tutor 2024 course. On the Home Tutor course, if you navigate down to the bottom of the first page, there should be now a panel that has NAPLAN 2024. If you click on that page or box, it should take you to this NAPLAN 2024 page, and there are now download links for the Windows and Mac application. So find the application for your computer. So mine is a Windows computer. That will download the installer. The installer is around 260 megabytes. Once it's finished downloading, we'll navigate to the folder and install it. Okay, so the download is now completed. I will go to the folder, double click the application, click next, click install, approve it, and finish. I can now navigate to my desktop, and there should be an icon that is a green icon of NAP 2024. That is now the program ready to sit the test. So you'd open that on the day, and it would then ask you for your student codes and session codes. Okay. Anyone that had any problems installing the lockdown browser, it may be because you've got an older version on your computer and it hasn't actually allowed you to install the new version because the old version. So to remove the old version, you can go to Control Panel, sort by categories, uninstall a program, search the list of programs for the NAPLAN lockdown browser and click uninstall. This will remove the older version off your computer. And then once that's finished, go back to the downloads folder and run the install for the new version of the application. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day.